And in essence, Web3 ID is a blockchain-based authentication and authorization system that really puts the user in control of the ability to log into other systems. So developers can use it to grant access and verify users' eligibility by requesting basically private data. So unlike Ethereum, the data being requested is not something that's on chain. It would be something else altogether, and that the user would only provide this with their consent, which is a significant issue. I think some of the most interesting use cases are, well, today you have the ability for individuals to access DeFi systems based on what's on chain. But the great thing about Web3 ID is you can actually verify yourself into systems with data that's private. So you can use this for things like age verification without potentially revealing maybe how old you are or your birthday. You can actually just reveal that you're, for example, over 18. And so that type of ability or that feature would be super useful in things that require sites or services that obviously age is important. So that could be things like, gambling sites. I think even Francisco, before we came on, you were also mentioning that you had read that Playboy was looking at having a virtual Playboy mansion that visitors could access. And as a parent of relatively young children, that would be something I would not want them to be able to access without some form of age verification. So the technology would be really an excellent use case for that situation as well. Another great use case for Web3 ID is within DeFi. So at the moment, when you're accessing some of these services, you're having to make a lot of the information public because, as we've spoken about, it's verifying things like sign on with Ethereum, it's verifying information that's publicly available on chain. So when you're being asked to prove your wallet balance, for example, you're effectively revealing your balance and all the transactions that surround it. However, being able to verify private data like you can with Web3 ID is quite powerful because you could prove your balance is over a certain level, but without necessarily revealing how much is in that wallet and also all the transactions that have taken place within that wallet. So it gives you the ability to access these services, but doing so in such a way where your privacy is protected.